Alright, get some music rolling in this bitch. I'm worried that my fucking... Okay, orb is in and we need to mark this out. Settings, middle line, yes. There's orb, okay. Yeah, we have strong volume on the downside. Crazy. Up 400 on the day, congrats bro, holy shit. I'm looking to see here what happened up at the top. A little bit of volume tail. I adjusted ATAS for scale to show 100. I was gonna do 200 so that these are tighter with larger numbers, easier to follow. We got absorbed. Buyers got absorbed at 68.3 twice, same spot. Sellers got absorbed here though. Futures, USDT, BTC. What a dump. Can't help but feel like you missed the party. Please don't bounce, please don't bounce, please don't bounce. Check the 1 minute here. No, buyers tried to push it back up. They're getting absorbed. She's rolling down. Nice, bro. This is quite the battle though. This is quite the battle. I'm looking for a drop down to 6, like, this is gonna come down further. It's got to 66, 660. Right here to this liquidity. See, they filled the line again. All right, what's the 5 minute? Can't do 5 seconds. Sorry, 5 minute. I mean, orb still stays true here on Bitcoin too. It's just crazy that it works here too. Hey, pretty cool over the weekend. An old friend from high school got 8th place at the Olympics, and he's a figure skater. I wanna... Sorry, I gotta pop over here. I don't know why when my chat goes away when I minimize this. One sec, sorry bro. I want to see what the volume profile here looks back. We just traded out of the D. Yeah, see, they squeezed them there. Crazy. But if you look here, this is what I use for my basically volume profile support and resistance, right? So like, see, you have a volume cluster here. That's support or resistance. Right here you kind of had resistance. What the fuck? Oh, that's why. I don't have my 3 display captures. What the fuck? Oh well. Yeah, that's pretty sweet to see him actually be able to do that. I mean, he's been figure skating for fucking 20 years, bro, so if not more. Sellers get absorbed here again. I'm just looking to wait and see if we can get a macro move down. So that's crazy wick on that candle. That's textbook absorption. I want to switch to OBS so I can get the pop out chat, because this is fucking bullshit. Checking now. Yeah, what is that? That's 100%, right, on your fib? That's 100%. Some sell order liquidity just came in at 67.1. And then we still have those orders that have been sitting there at 66,600. And it's coming for it. It's coming for that liquidity. They pulled some orders back though, and she popped. I mean, orb is gonna break. I marked out the orb right here. Orb's gonna break, but they did get grabbed here, right? Grabbed again. This was absorbed, but now we have a strong delta. What is that? That's a lot of up signals. I don't know why, bro, but I'm inclined to grab a long back to midpoint. Still pretty strong, though. That's it. That's the break of orb. It's gonna bounce up, right? That's what I'm saying. This is the high volume trades when they're below the wick and they're red. That's absorption. When you have a green candle and they're above the wick, the green bubbles, that's absorption. I'm inclined to... Yeah, I'm in long. And I'm just hoping that that 680 level holds, because my stop loss is at 658. I'm just looking for a ride up to midpoint. I don't know why though on here that my take profit is, it doesn't show up. The stop loss does. Delta turnaround down signal. Fuck off. We have a lot of buying volume at 67,000, so I know, well, classic me to start off dumbass trading, right? gonna say no. Oh, bro, if I make this trade, that's like 10% of my entire account on the day. Yeah, this was a dumb trade. Too early for a bounce. You're gonna fucking go down. It'll bounce up to the bottom of orb at about 1 o'clock. Big sell orders just came in. Sheesh. I'm toast now. $164 on the bid. I should get out of this trade at a 12-cent loss. That could have been a liquidity grab of the 13th, 4 days ago. Let's hope. This order block. My stop loss below it. Yeah, when I first started trading, that's what the guy usually that I was watching, Alex O'Crypto, that's what he usually trades is Solana. This is a huge delta flip. Huge. The sellers got the sellers got exhausted here, bro. Come on, push up. I mean, this is the retest, right, of orb, so if the sellers gain back control, I'm out 56 cents. I was never meant to be in the trade. Especially long. We need to break 67 130. Get squeezed, boys. Come on. This is a finished auction down here, so let's go. And this is all settled up. So let's go. I mean, I'm risking a little bit more per trade than what I would would if I had $1,000 in there, but it's like a 13% position size. On 120x leverage. Delta's full. Oh, Delta, look at the Delta flip. 467. That's huge. What is it on the... Yeah, just created a higher high on the line CVD. ATR's high. Hell, I'm just looking for a pop back to POC. 68k. I mean, fuck, I could ride that for like $5 if it does that. No, like $2. Yeah, this is textbook absorption. All the volume was traded under the wick. This is why I added the dual footprint on all my highest volume under the wick of the orb candle. If it was in here, it's strong. If this 15-minute candle closes where the value area is inside the candle, then it's good. But looks like we're getting a pushback here. Here's the make or break, yes. The buyers have to hold that right there at 67,030, where they had the point of control on the previous candle. So there's a lot of liquidity back here at 66,850, which I'll be protected. Right, drops down here, grabs this. These are buy limit orders. They want to get back in. Right where they started strong on the green candle. They want to get back in. 317 orders sitting there. But if like they break 66,900 here, it's gonna go down. If they can break 66,900 here, it'll go down because they're sitting at a negative 205 delta with 1,000 volume. Right here. Come on. Absorption there, baby. You gotta hold there, boys. I mean, I'm kind of counter trading you, but your stop loss is way up at the top, so you're chilling. This was my asshole trade for the day because I made 60 cents last night. Come on, please. Absorption, baby. Absorption. Look at that. That wick come right back to my entry. Come on. Oh, don't exhaust. Oof. Oh, I spoke too soon. Nah, it's gonna rotate down. I don't know, they brought the delta back though, fuck. See, they had less volume too. Like, they had half the volume. I want to change this. Can I change this to full numbers? Forget how to do that. Nah, yeah, this gonna rotate back down. Fuck me. Come on. That's huge. That's the thing, right? Everything on the bid, see, people like, oh, the bid is just sellers. No, it's not. So the bid is aggressive sellers and passive buyers, and the ask is aggressive buyers and passive sellers. So you look at this and you say, oh, there was 259 sell orders. No, there was probably 100 sell orders that ran into 159 passive buy orders. Because you can see here on the liquidity, right? See that line was there, and then it stopped. They hit, and it bounced up. We're looking for another test back down to that level now. The buyers have orders there. See if it hits. Fill. Gotta fill. Ooh, those were sell stops. Yeah, I'm toast. I'm toast. Those weren't even limit buy orders. Those were fucking sell stops. Right at the bottom of orb. Fuck off. That's a strong move down. Full candle, no wick. No wick on the bottom. Oh, actually, I'd love to get back up to 67 because I would love to close my position and break even. No, you're good, bro. It's going down. It's gonna crash through my stop loss. Wait, what happened here? Get the liquidity map. Yeah, that's where we want to come. Back up to 67,100, baby. Let's go. Let's go. You gotta take 66,960. This is fucking huge delta. Reclaim it. Push on, boys. Push on. Plus 220. Let's go. Push on. Is that another higher high on the CVD? No, it's still a lower high. I see, it's gonna pop down. Yeah, I'm toast. CVD is still making a lower high. And price is moving up. So it's gonna correct itself. But see, that's funny because I'll move this window over. If you look here, we popped right into this volume cluster. Created this volume cluster, and now we're trying to bounce back up into the D formation. Back to POC. This volume cluster is forming big, and it's holding well. Come on, boys. Looking strong, fellas. Nope. Just kidding. With a bounce like that, I gotta at least bring my stop loss to entry. Oh, boys, come on. That was such a promising bounce. Oi. I mean, if the bears can break the bottom of orb again, I don't think there'd be any buyers left, to be honest. It almost just wicked me off. It's going to. That entry. You gotta hold that line, boys. This is significant. If that line breaks, I'm out of the trade, but it's whatever. Actually, if I go to trading view, bro. The 5 SMA just crossed the 8. Looking to target the green line at 13. Oh, we're gonna break even on this. Strong rotation back down. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, here it is. Oh shit. I mean, that line held. That's what I like to see. Don't. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There's the buy orders. Let's go. Come on. No. No. Yep. Toast. Yep. Brrr, lost that one. And the sellers have it. But I'm late, right? Because the entry on that trade comes here. I mean, they gotta break 66,700. If they can break 6,700, I'm inclined to open a short and set my stop loss up here, 67,250, which is about, like you said, 67,280, right? Yeah. I just gotta see a lower close because this is absorption again. Surely Bitcoin, of all things, is not gonna range trade today. Is there any news or anything? No. I just wanted an orb midline slap. That would have been so nice. Up $1.20. And here's like BitUnix. Like, I'm trying to figure out how to use it. Like when you like partial TPs and. Been in a fuck zone for the past week, so all bets are off. Yeah, I haven't been looking at Bitcoin in a week, right? Just hearing whatever I hear from you. But yeah, what an order block this is. This is a huge area of uncertainty. Like, we have enough. This move should have been massive. This is where, when this happens and this candle comes back down and it happens again, this is where you just get in. If you have a larger account, right? If I have a large account, I can get in here and make 200 bucks on a 400-point move and get out up here where the sellers were strong on this candle. Just get out up here. But unfortunately, I'm trading with $10, so best I make 60 cents with putting up probably 20% of my margin. I mean, I need to see. Yeah, bro, fucking I knew this. Like, this is absorption again. Buyers are strong in here. 130 over 107. This zone is fucked. Like, it was the same thing over here. Same exact zone. Same level that I marked, right? Boom. Trading up to it. Bouncing it, bouncing it, bouncing it. Broke it. Trading back down to it. Bouncing it, bouncing it. And on it went. It's the point. This is current day. Volume area. It's the point of control today. And it was the point of control on Thursday as well. Or Friday. Oh. Right here. This is the same zone. That's my level that I marked. Look, they traded up to it, bounced off of it, broke it, traded back down, bounced off of it, and then made its move. But it was the same POC Friday as it is today on that cluster. It's not POC, right? Not today at least, but it could have been on Friday. We've traded past it now. It's on the 15-minute, 5-minute. Where I have my... I thought I had a volume profile on here. Where the fuck was my volume profile? Oh, right here. Yeah, this is like fucked because this goes back to the 7th. It is just one. Yeah, that's fucked up. I had this back 10 days and it's just one giant D formation. And majority of the time it traded around 69K. I mean, over the last 10 days, we're at value area low right now. This is value area high, value area low, and the point of control. The point of control is on the high side. If you're getting absorption, you're looking for a move back to 69K. Which would be huge for me if I could. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Lads, push on. Like, at this point, I don't even know what the target is to the downside. Like, that is absorption. Hey, if we get a green candle and she inverses and comes back and fills this fair value gap, I'm going long. If we fill this fair value gap on this candle, I'm fucking going long. That's a liquidity grab from Friday. I don't have to wait, bro. I have... Yeah, bro. I don't gotta wait there, I can enter. Not really strong enough move for the red to call that, you know, this is what this is gonna do. Traded above it. That support line. Traded down to it, broke it. Looks like it might trade back up to it. And then it's gonna make its move. Ooh, buyer absorption too. Yeah, I'd like to see this just fill this gap. It hit it now. Can fill this gap. I'm in long again. That might be dumb, but that's just what I see. I just need to see this close above that line, that's all. Yeah, likely possible. I just see... Right, but that's scalping, and scalping hard to do on a $10 account if you actually want to make money, right? So I think the macro move is down. I agree with you. I just see absorption, absorption, absorption. Right, but the sellers, they just have to get this level gone. Probably down to 66.5. If they can break 66.5, it's like you said, probably a move down to 64.5. See absorption right at the support line. Unfortunately, I wasn't here for this, right? Because this is absorption on the buyers. Right at VWAP. Absorption of the buyers again. That's the entry. It hit once, bro. I could have entered here, man, and I could have ran this for like fucking $6. But I wasn't here. We were late this morning. We woke up at fucking 8:20. That's my entry short. There, I'm short. Of course. This is the buyer exhaustion right here. This is it. I mean, that's just what I see, right? Because we tried pushing up. Support broke. Tapped it. Big buy order. Gets all absorbed. And I need to see a move down to 65.8 for this trade to work for me. A big institution just bought hundreds of millions worth of Bitcoin. And that could be it. Then we'll see if everybody else in their short positions wanna hold. So there's no significant positive delta to see a move back above 67K. At least not like... My stop loss is like right here. Which is above the order block that was just formed. Stop loss is like right here. Slap it again, you bastard. Come on. Was there a zero print on this? No. No zero print on the aggressive move down at 940, 935. There was volume everywhere. Zero prints are huge too. Like, it's just, if there's no liquidity there, there's no volume, meaning that there was no liquidity established, then it's gonna want to retest it. This was terrible. Like, why did I do this, bro? Why did I do this? Trust it. Ugh. Alrighty, come up to scare me. Come up to scare me. Okay, rotate back down. It's so boring. It's so boring, bro. Like, why the fuck you just ranging inside a 300-point range for the last fucking hour? That's so annoying. Yeah, it's about to grab me. You fucker. Yep. Yeah, we're coming up. My first trade was good. My first trade was good. Where I set my original stop loss though, it was down here. Would have been wicked off by this candle. I think, yeah, I think this makes a fucking move back to fucking 69. Why do I think that? I don't know. I think we make a move back to 69k. This wasn't the play, this was the play. I just gotta go off what I see. This is absorption. strong retest but didn't test that level. When it did again, strong absorption again, it broke it. The sellers just got exhausted. There was no big trades in here. This was just exhaustion. And then no going short here. The whole candle's fucking green. All the price levels, except for 5. But then you, I mean, created a newer, higher level. This is unfinished. That's unfinished. But so is this. Oh, I didn't sleep at all last night. Fall asleep till like 3 o'clock. Yeah, I knew it. This is gonna pop up here, finish this auction. And if it doesn't continue, it will make a move back down to here. Huh. Fuck, bro, if I would have just slammed max position right here. 200x leverage, fuck, I'd be up $30 right now. Or 120x leverage. Sorry, I'm not fucking dumb. I'm not gonna trade 200. Like if I had a limit order. At 66,732. 70% of my margin. TP 67.6. Oh no, I couldn't. I wouldn't make that much. Like, that doesn't make sense. What am I doing wrong over here? I'm just trying to calculate, like just being an asshole, right? 100% max position at, oh, that's why. 66,732. There. $67,450. That's the trade I shouldn't. Like, I obviously wouldn't use 100% of my position, but if I did, right, that's a fucking 5 to 1. Boy, the buyers want this today. Let's go. That's high volume again. I wouldn't be surprised here within the next 4 candles to see a bull candle with a 600 delta. Or I'm an asshole and I'm completely wrong. Bro, they had a liquidity grab at 940 at 950. Then they trapped all the buyers. Come down, grabbed all the retail stop losses, and then made their move back up. This has to be the move. I don't know. It's broken that range. It's filling that fair value gap right now. Or it's trying to, at least. See now we're just in an area that's uncharted compared to everything else. Like to see this where it's back to here, you know? Yeah, we're in an area that's low in volume. Right back to value area low. I look for confluences on the 15-minute too. I got to get better at that. Because obviously we have a negative 102 delta and a green candle. Hell, if we can break midline orb, I'm looking for another long. But that's a swing. swing trade. I'm looking for a long to 69K. The problem was it was really bullish over the weekend. And then I read some news last night that, you know, said this all died off. Last night it started going down. The Saturday momentum just fucking broke down. That's a strong candle. On the 15. See, this is like ideal. This would be a trade I'm really interested in. But it's just gonna push on. Yeah, look at that. I should have just fucking market ordered. Look at the fucking volume. Bro, I knew it. I fucking called the long down here, bro. I called the long down here. I fucking knew it. And I just played against myself. I fucking called it on this fucking candle. Look at it. She's fucking gone. Testing VWAP right now. Yeah. Yeah, the second it just smashed through, it filled this fair value gap here and then just smashed through it. Getting a bit of absorption at the top at VWAP though. Buyers had 94, sellers 100 lots. That's the biggest volume candle of the day. No. 6K on on that one. I'd like to see this close above VWAP on the next candle. And then I'm going to enter long and just set my stop loss to the bottom side of mid orb. Just took midline. What is that? 67,590. Yeah, I do want to see something wild because the wild thing. Check my levels on Discord. Yeah, 100%. 100% on the move down, I believe. You have that set to 100% where it's slapped. Yeah, 1. And on a retracement, it broke through the golden pocket. This thing's up, 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 up. No doubt in my mind. That's funny. The highest volume setting right at the VWAP line. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy how like significant that fib is. Yeah, this is gonna close above VWAP. I'm in. What's midline? 590. Oh. Oh. Bro, that's so classic. That's so classic for me. Wow. VWAP absorption. Yeah, I wanted to go to 74K too. I just got fucked. I'm getting fucked here. That's just a FOMO trade for me. Fucking idiot. Yeah, we need to crash through it. That's what we need. My stop loss is pretty tight though because I took a fucking 25% position. I'll lose $1.43 on this trade. That's not good risk management. But I'm about 70 points below midline of orb, so. Buyers stepping in right at this level here. Yeah, I saw that on your chart. Between the 65 and 61%. But if it breaks back below golden pocket, are you getting out or are you just riding or dying? Yeah, this isn't good. Let's go. Okay, come on. Down $1. That's good. Yeah. Okay, cool. You're out now? This is, you're gonna see like a 200 sell order and it's just gonna slap my stop loss. All right, come on, boys. Yeah, you got a minute and a half. If this candle closes green with a negative delta, that's huge. Here we go, boys. Look at all that absorption. Let's go. Let's go. Go on, boys. Go on. No. No. Go on. Value area inside of the red candle. 20 seconds. We need a pop. You gotta hold for 10 seconds. That's all you gotta do, boys. That is great absorption. Let's go. I'm happy with that candle. Not a great start on this one either, though. If I lose this one, I'm done for the day, but tomorrow, right, I'll be here at 9 if we wake up on time. Push on, boys. Yeah, I know they need strength here across VWAP and close above. Like I said, we need to see that green candle that says like 400 plus delta on a 5 minute. But we're not going to get it. Volume is way down on this candle. Can't believe I top blasted this at VWAP. That's crazy. I'm almost back to entry. I mean, bro, I had this. Like I had this as support. What did it do? Slapped it and it got absorbed. Like I had this based off of the volume profile that's a support level, along with multiple nodes. And like I had this trade down here. I was just an asshole and FOMO'd it up here because I didn't want to be negative on the day, which it's possible now that I am, right? Because if I'm in here where I was in and my stop loss didn't get hit on that initial trade, I brought it up to break even. If I would have just left it but moved it down a bit down here for a little bit more of a loss, I'd still be in this trade hell. I'd be up $2 right now. Like I had this support. I had this support level marked from the previous day on the 15-minute, which lined up with, you know, where this happened today. Because I marked that over here on the 15. And then there's another one down here. The two down here. This was just an idiot trade. It's that simple. Well, I was back to entry and now I'm not. What a fucking turnaround. See, this move was just fake. 990 volume. Yeah, it almost just whipped my stop loss. I mean, look at that. You're like, it slapped midpoint of orb and pushed back. Hopefully this is alright. Need this high volume node to close underneath the red candle. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. That's good though. Volume area closed on the bottom side wick. My stop loss is right below the consolidation though. I'm about to rage quit. That's it, I'm toast. Same, bro. But I'm just so close to my level that will put me out that I'm just... See this stacked imbalance on the green candle right above toast? And it'll skyrocket down because there's just no volume here. It was no volume on the sell side here. That's it, I'm fucked. GG's. Yep. Oh my fucking god. There it goes. Oh, I can take a piss. I'm done for the day, so. I'm at now. Not good. I'm at 770 now. That's great. Lose 30% of my account in a day. I mean, I had the trade here, bro. I had it. And for some fucking reason, I went short right here. I literally fucking clicked short right here.
collapse. I entered the fucking trade here. What a fucking idiot. When I had it down here. Mistakes shall be made. The name of the game. I mean, I guess that's the beauty of starting out with $10. The fact that you can just put in another 10 and it's no problem. Not like I put in 1,000 and lost 300, you know what I mean? Technically, I'm down $2.20 on the day because I made 60 last night. Now the pop, come down here, fill the fair value gap, and then pop. Wow. That's what's gonna happen next. Is there? Ooh, a fat green candle. There's the pop. Hunted my stop loss and then boom. Push on, boys, push on. To 69K. 25% if I got in at the bottom. Not clicking short here and clicking long. Holy moly. Good luck, bro. Trail that thing up to 69K. That's volume profile. Volume cluster back 10 days. That's the high of the little tiny volume cluster at the top. 69K. But let her go. Let it run if it goes. I'm down. But time for me to go get lunch and do something with my day. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna have my shit together tomorrow, right? Today was rushed. Obviously, no, it just pisses me off having to get off, you know. I want to slam back into another trade, but I know that that's just emotional because I had the move. Again. I just brought my stop loss to break even too early. And I should have just played the same trade again instead of going, I don't know why, my bias was long from that first absorption. So I don't know why I clicked short. I literally could have made like 50% of my account today. I would have walked out up 5 on my account, but good luck with the trades.